Going on the road again.
I can't wait to be on the road again. Bring a helmet like that? You gotta stay safe in there.
It's my sleeping helmet.
Aw, frick, man. I'm gonna sit in this tiny seat. We're gonna have so much fun in here. We're freaking going on the road with Robbie and Coop.
Okay, I want you to take your shoes off, okay?
Where are you going, Momo? Coco, where are you going?
You didn't.
Okay, go.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
You don't know?
This is how we're doing this.
We're tight in here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna shift my stick.
You're gonna shift your own stick. Jordan, I'll pray for us.
Okay.
Third gear. Hi.
Hey Rob, you wanna shift for us?
Yeah, dude. I got you, bro. I'm just gonna keep my hand there the whole time, too. This guy at the gas station just has to clean the window, give him some money. He's not listening to us.
We don't got change.
Hey, man, that's good. We don't have any money.
Alright, I'm done.
Hey, what about my side?
$48.
I can't
Didn't even
see.
clean this side.
Doesn't matter.
Hey! Why are you pushing my seat? Why are you pushing Uncle Jordan's seat, Momo? Yes? He's strong? What you doing, man? Why don't you sleep inside?
Scared. Hey, there's a hell of room in the house if you want to just crash in there with your sleeping bag.
Come on, dude.
There's like fat floor.
And I got my 3 pillows.
Is it carpet?
No, he
I
has
got my
3 pillows on the couch that you can sleep on.
Yeah.
And sleep on your sleeping bag.
That's freaking handy.
Let's go, Rob. Man, it's not comfortable in there.
We're
Look at you.
slumber partying.
Your legs don't even fit in there.
I'm gonna go this way.
Come on, Rob.
I'm gonna put my face where Josh's butt was.
If you don't want to sleep in there after, then you can come into the truck. But I highly doubt you're gonna want to come back in here. check out the parking. My truck is halfway in the middle of the road. This truck is way too big.
Hey guys. Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
This is my sister Jamie. Her husband.
It's like 3 a.m.
I just
It's like 3 a.m. So
Welcome to the crib.
Yeah.
Legit.
got Rob's bed. Take the pillow things off of there. You're definitely gonna fit.
I'm telling you, we're just gonna both be big spoon up there. Nut to nut.
Rob, you're not even on your mattress, bro.
I'm naked.
Why do you look so tall? Alright. I'll be back.
See you guys.
Alright guys, you got everything?
I think so. Okay. I'll text you when we're on our way back.
We're gonna go buy a car again.
Yeah.
That's what we do best. That's what we do best. How do I come up with these melodies, dude?
Jordan should get a Geo Metro. Look them up, dude. They're the coolest cars probably ever made. Still slept on.
Geometry?
A Geo Metro.
We're in the Bay Area. What's up, baby? Sick. Me too, Mama. Me too.
Going to Josh's old house. In the twin bridges. In the bridges of the twins.
We're
So
gonna.
this is where you grew up.
Yeah, I grew up here. I grew up in the nice part of Hayward. Dang, this is my street. This looks so unfamiliar. What is going on? There's Uncle Edgar's house.
Dude, these houses look a lot smaller
Dude,
than
this
I
looks
remember.
so look how big our tree got. Oh my god.
This is your house?
That's my house. That's where Papa grew up, girls.
Dude, it looks so small. This used to be a mansion.
Dang. And her husband, Josh. How you doing? Here. You missed it?
You ready to go? You ready to go with Uncle? You like Uncle? Come.
Momo, come here.
Oh, Mama.
Here, come here, Momo. Momo, come on, let's go. Okay, bye, Jordan. Have fun.
Bye.
Let me turn the truck stabilizer on. We're here. Shit, dang, he got the Hawaii plates on there too? What?
Get arrested if I drive it.
What's up,
So
bro?
Josh, hey Jordan,
Yo, man.
nice to meet you guys, man.
This is Drew.
Hello.
He hit me up. Told me to buy this gem. Oh my gosh, man. You sure?
Yeah.
Sure you want to get rid of it?
You got a trailer? You're gonna drive it?
I mean, how bad is it to drive?
It's bad.
It's bad?
Yeah.
Does it run super rough?
Yeah, it sounds like it's cammed and it's shaking and everything. I'll start it up for you.
Okay. Hey, this thing's minty.
And for I got the pizza cutter center caps. You see
I
that?
saw it, dude. This is gold. This is gold. Dang. Just misfire. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave you with some cash. I'm gonna stay here with some family
Yeah.
until it's I probably won't come pick it up till Friday.
Yeah, I'll just keep it in the garage then.
Is that cool with you?
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh,
Woohoo! Look at this.
carbureted.
Freaking steamroller. Looks like a sewing machine. This, I already got the 11 front for it, so.
Oh, you're gonna change it for? Oh, you don't like the flip ups?
I'm gonna keep it original for now, but I'm gonna have the 11 just on the side, just in case. I think we're gonna do a beam swap in here.
That's gonna be so sick.
That's what we were gonna do. I don't even know where to start with these things.
You wanna see the trunk too and everything?
Yeah. Let's see that. So it's been in the family, huh?
We only had it for like what, 7 years?
Okay.
Original Toyota parts, all right there.
Hey, clean. Got the spare.
I got the original spares in there.
Okay.
I don't know why my dad put that in there.
Dang, got some old school exhaust in here. Some high quality exhaust. That's sick. Caddy pipe. Dang, this thing's clean, bro.
Super clean. The dude had it in his garage for 25 years.
I can tell there's not a speck of rust on it. Dang, you look good in there. You look like you're about to friggin' deliver some tofu.
I got all the tofu in
It's just
here.
amazing how clean it is inside. I'm like,
It
oh,
is.
it's crazy.
Dang, that's old school looking.
Faster.
68,000 miles. Yeah.
God, baby.
Look at this 80s ass radio.
So was it your pops bought it, or was it?
Yeah, my pops bought it for $1,000.
Dang.
Yeah, it comes with the little dealer sticker where it first came from. Leland.
No
came from
way.
down.
Dang.
Starbucks napkins?
Oh, gee.
1971, dude.
That's
It's been in there for a while.
Oh, this is cool though.
This is really
That's really cool.
Thanks, so you're gonna come back from LA. You're gonna go back to LA and come back?
No, we're chilling here for
a
like
little bit?
few days. Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate
But
you.
yeah, I'll come back on
Friday.
Friday
Yeah, I'll be
if you
here.
don't leave.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Do you want to sign the bill of sale now?
Yeah, if that's cool.
Yeah.
We'll do that. Dang, all the fenders are all cherry. I don't even want to cut it up. I was like, oh,
Oh, you're gonna cut it up?
Now that I see the condition of it.
So I bought a S13.5 white body.
What?
Yep,
Yeah,
just
so
what?
this guy's gonna get it.
It looks so, it was dope and everything.
Gotta take the car.
It's gone. My mom wanted it gone. for the longest time.
Yeah, it's been in the garage for a freaking long time.
Try and bring it back. I mean, we can try.
Yeah, you can.
You haven't been in the vlog yet, dude. Here, I'll record you on this one.
You can push.
Oh yeah. Let's go. 240 style, bro.
Yeah, I got
He's
you.
not even pushing, so it's just am I the only one pushing?
They both work.
Ah!
Freaking strong, man.
This is just gonna run me over. What are we doing?
Perfect. Alright. Alright, man.
Alright, brother.
Thank you. I appreciate you,
Appreciate
dog.
you. Yeah, nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you, we'll be back.
Thanks,
We'll do
Jordan.
part 2 of the vlog.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
Alright. Hey, yo, you got the stuff, bro? Hey, bro. You got it?
Bro, pure and uncut, bro.
Uncut?
All of it, bro. You know I got the best prices in town, man. Stop playing with me, boy.
That's a lot. So dang, look at all this food. What are we doing? Look at the vegetarian over here.
Fish flakes on top. Man, look how much tempura this is, dude.
Holy